Welcome back to Micro Message. I'm Shane Robb, and today we're going to be talking about QR codes. A QR code is kind of like a barcode on a product at the store. Once it's scanned, it tells the computer what the product is and its value. QR codes have been around since 1994. Back then, they were simply used to track vehicles and parts. How can you create your own QR code? Well, simply go to a website like this, insert any kind of social media platform link, then at the bottom hit the generate QR code, and then boom, it'll start making the code for you. Once you have your code, then you can share it with anybody you come in contact. It'll take them right to your link. Here's an example showing you how quick it is. Scan it, click the link above, takes you right to the page, boom, now they can connect that fast. LinkedIn offers a pre-made QR code. If you click the symbol on the right of the search bar, it'll take you right to your QR code, and you can share it with anyone you know and everybody you meet.